Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Charge Suede. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Charge Suede, and this pair is in a UK size 8.5, US size 9.5, EU size 43, and it's in the black white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the packing paper or wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Charge Suede in the black white colorway. Let's lift out the shoe from the box and taking a look at the left shoe side, left foot. Let's set the box to the side and focus on the left shoe. So let's do a 360 rotation so you have a nice full complete view of the Nike SB Charge Suede. And taking a close-up look at the details of this shoe, you can see that it does have a black suede upper cover. It does have that high contrast design with the white against the black majority or main color of the shoe. And taking an all-round look at the shoe, and a top-down look as well. So you have a better sense of the size and shape of the shoe. So this shoe is in a UK size 8.5, US size 9.5, EU size 43. And taking a look at the outsole or bottom of the shoe, it does have a very dark brown color to the tread or pattern of the sole. And it does have a radiating type pattern from the ball of the foot that extends towards the rear or entirety of the length of the sole, and it does have a Nike swoosh towards the heel area as well, and you can see that it's bordered by the white vulcanized sole or outsole cover. And let's take a close-up look from the front or toe of the shoe towards the back, so giving you some close-up details. Right there you can see some fine patterning around the vulcanized white outsole extension that wraps the upper cover, which is made from suede, so giving you a look at that material. And traditional lacing that extends towards the tongue or top of the shoe with that Nike SB patch and Charge branding. And moving towards the rear or back of the shoe and heel area. And let's take a look inside and remove the stuffing. And taking a look inside the shoe, you can see at the back of the label on the tongue with some product details. And taking a look inside, we can see that it does have a Solarsoft sock liner or insole with its blue cupped border. So giving you a closer up look right there at the Solarsoft insole. And around the ankle collar as well, with some nice thick padding around the ankle and heel area. And interestingly, it doesn't have the Nike Solarsoft rubber patch at the bottom of the heel area, even though it does have the Solarsoft insole. And continuing to take a close-up look at the various details of the shoe, we can see a small Nike swoosh logo with a kind of rough textured or slightly chunkier textured graining on the Nike swoosh surface. And the stitching details of the shoe as well, and of course the falconized design. And now let's do a flex and bend test of the shoe right there with my hands, giving you some idea of the flexibility or stiffness of the shoe. And its sole as well. So just pressing against the bottom of the shoe on its sole to give you some idea of the softness and movement of the shoe overall. Okay, now let's take a look at the right shoe side or right foot. So setting the left shoe down, moving the box back in view, and popping out the right shoe. And once again doing a 360 rotation so you have a full and complete view of the shoe in the black white colorway. And taking a close-up look once again, but this time round on the right shoe. We can see the close-up details of its design, and of course the outsole. And the suede texturing as well on its upper cover, which is of course made of suede, being that it is the Nike SB Charge Suede. And once again we see the Nike Solarsoft insole, and now let's take a look at the pair together. And up close, front on towards the back. and on the bottom as well. So you have a nice full and complete view of this Nike SB Charge Suede in the black, white colorway. So that's the Nike SB Charge Suede in the black, white colorway. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!